Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 4. This is a regular polygon, so the area is going to be 1/2 times apothem times perimeter. So perimeter, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. So the perimeter is 7 times 10, or 70, but we need to figure out the apothem. So we draw the center of the polygon, and we look at this little triangle here. I'm going to draw that triangle bigger over here. So we've got a right triangle. I'm trying to find the apothem. I know that this side is 1/2 of 7, because the whole side is 7, and I have half of it here, so that's 3.5. Today in class, we talked about the central angle being 360 divided by 10, the number of sides. So the central angle is 36, but we have half of that. So our angle here is 18 degrees. So in our triangle, we have an angle here of 18 degrees. We can use SOHCAHTOA to find the apothem. So I've got the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. So I have the tangent of 18 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So the apothem is 3.5 divided by the tangent of 18. So I'm going to use my calculator. 3.5 divided by the tangent of 18 is 10.772. So the apothem is 10.772. I know that my area is 1/2 times the apothem. Oops. Apothem times perimeter. I have my apothem, and I found my perimeter above to be 70. So I have 1/2 times 10.772 times 70. Since I already have the apothem on my calculator, I'm just going to hit times 1/2 times 70 for my perimeter of 377.016. I'm sorry, my area, 377.016 is the area. Okay, now let's look at number 5. Area of the regular polygon. So in this case, the regular polygon is this equilateral triangle. Now, we can still use area of a regular polygon formula, 1/2 apothem times perimeter if we want to. We have the apothem is 5. Now we need the perimeter. So once again, let's look at the little triangle here. So since we have an equilateral triangle, it's kind of strange to think of it as a regular polygon, but it is. We can find its central angle. 360 divided by 3 is 120. So this angle here is 120 degrees. So when we look at half of that, we have 60 degrees. Here, we have an apothem of 5. Remember the ratio of sides in a 30, 60, 90 triangle is x radical 3, 2x. I need to find this side. They gave me the x, they gave me the short side that's opposite 30. So the side of half of the side of the triangle is 5 radical 3. Let's go back up and look at the triangle. This length here is 5 radical 3. So that means that the whole length of the side of the triangle is 2 of those, or 10 radical 3. So one side of the triangle is 10 radical 3. Since there's 3 sides, the perimeter is 3 times 10 radical 3. And our area formula, 1/2 times apothem times perimeter. We have the apothem is 5. The perimeter is 10 radical 3. If we want to, we can get an exact number. 1/2 times 5 times 10 is 25, putting the radical 3 on the end. 25 radical 3 is the exact answer. The approximate answer we get from our calculator, 25 times radical 3 is 43.301. Remember, you can go back and watch these over and over again. You can pause them, eat popcorn, have fun.